lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender persons in Ghana face legal and societal challenges not experienced by non-LGBT citizens. Same-sex sexual acts between males are illegal in Ghana, and LGBT rights are heavily suppressed. The majority of Ghana's population hold anti-LGBT sentiments. Physical and violent homophobic attacks against LGBT people are common, and are often encouraged by the media and religious and political leaders. At times, government officials, such as police, engage in such acts of violence. Reports of young gay people being kicked out of their homes are also common, as well as reports of conversion therapy occurring across Ghana. Despite the Constitution guaranteeing a right to freedom of speech, expression and assembly to Ghanaian citizens, these fundamental rights are actively denied to LGBT people. Pro-LGBT activism exists in Ghana, but such efforts are often thwarted by the Ghanaian government. There is historical evidence of homosexuality in Ghana. In the 18th and 19th century Asante courts, male slaves served as concubines. They dressed like women and were killed when their master died. In the kingdom of Dahomey, eunuchs were known as royal wives and played an important part at court. The Nzima people had a tradition of adult men marrying each other, usually with a 10-year age difference. These marriages were called agyel, friendship marriages. The couple would obverse all the social equivalents of a heterosexual marriage. A bride price was paid and a traditional wedding ceremony was held. Among the Nankani, female marriages were observed for the continuous perpetuation of the lineage. Rose Mary Amenga Itego states that these non-sexual woman-to-woman marriages were the last desperate religio-cultural practice employed to reclaim and reinstate the male genealogical descent structure of the people. The Fanti people would believe that those of either sex, with heavy souls, were attracted to women, whereas those with light souls were attracted to men. Homosexuality in Ghana was criminalized in the 1860s. Section 104 of the Ghanaian Criminal Code of 1960 contains provisions criminalizing consensual same-sex sexual acts between males. Under Section 104 defines unnatural carnal knowledge as sexual intercourse with a person in an unnatural manner or with an animal. Under Article 296 of the Criminal Procedural Code, a misdemeanor shall be liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years. Several sources indicate that whilst the law may not lead to prosecutions before local courts, numerous instances of persecution are widespread and common. In 2013, a local lawyer, John Ndibugra, challenged views on the illegality of lesbianism under Ghanaian law. According to him, lesbianism, which is also homosexuality, does not involve penetration with a penis and therefore cannot be described as sexual intercourse or unnatural, based on Section 104 of the Criminal Code. He added, "Females don't have penis. They cannot penetrate," in a story published by MyJoy Online. The law also applies to straight people who have anal or oral sex, though the state does not concern itself with this, because it is their private life, causing allegations of hypocrisy. Ghana does not recognize same-sex marriage or same-sex civil unions. A single person may apply to adopt a child if that person is a citizen of Ghana, except that a single male may adopt only if the child to be adopted is his biological child. Same-sex couples are not allowed to adopt children. Section 12 of Chapter 5 of the Constitution of Ghana provides that every person in Ghana, whatever his race, place of origin, political opinion, color, religion, creed or gender, shall be entitled to the fundamental human rights and freedoms of the individual contained in this chapter, but subject to respect for the rights and freedoms of others and for the public interest. Although there is no law against discrimination based on sexual orientation or gender identity, any person in Ghana who believes she has experienced discrimination on the basis of HIV status, gender identity or sexual orientation may report an incident through the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice Stigma and Discrimination Reporting Portal. In 2013, the United States offered to help Ghana develop legislation to protect the rights of LGBT persons. LGBT-identifying Ghanaians face discrimination around them in many facets of life and society. At the Accra International Airport, a sign states, "Ghana does not welcome pedophiles and sexual deviants." while not explicitly referencing the LGBT community. Ghanaians associate sexual deviance with the LGBT community, according to the 19th of August 2004 AFROL news report. Prince MacDonald, the leader of the Organization for Gays, Lesbians, Bisexuals, and Transsexuals in Ghana, commented that there are lots and lots of people in our prison home who have been caught by this unfriendly law. He said that the police